Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by collecting evidence. Your user ID, exact timestamps, match ID, and screenshots of the safety observation screen. Explain clearly what happened and when. This helps support correlate logs. Once done, make sure you do not tamper with game files or attempt third-party fixes, because those actions can worsen the case. Save system info like device model and OS version. This first step speeds up validation and establishes you as cooperative when you file an official appeal with PubG Mobile support. Next, open the in-game support or the official customer portal and file a formal appeal. In your message, paste the user ID and match ID, attach screenshots, and list device details. Explain the sequence of events concisely and state you request a review rather than offering or seeking bypass methods. Once submitted, monitor the ticket and keep copies of all correspondence. Make sure to respond promptly to any follow-up questions from support to avoid delays in their investigation and resolution. Finally, stay engaged with support. Respond quickly if they ask for logs or additional screenshots, and grant permission to review your account if required. If the case is cleared, reinstall or update PubG Mobile from the official App Store and sign in normally. Make sure two-step verification or linked accounts are secure. If the dispute remains unresolved, escalate through the formal channels provided by the publisher and avoid third-party fixes. Troubleshooting tip: if responses stall beyond published timelines, politely request.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.